Hello everyone. Welcome to JH Softech. In this video, I am going to explain you about concepts and benefits of object-oriented programming. Before we begin, what is object-oriented programming? Object-oriented programming is a programming style that organizes code around objects, which are instances of classes. It provides a way to structure and design software systems by modeling real-world objects, their attributes, and behaviors they can perform. What are concepts of object-oriented programming? Object-oriented programming key concepts are encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. Now we discuss about encapsulation. Encapsulation is the bundling of data, attributes, and methods, functions, together within a class. It allows the object to control access to its internal state and ensures that the data is accessed and modified through defined methods. Abstraction. Abstraction focuses on representing the essential features of an object while hiding the unnecessary details. It allows the creation of abstract classes and interfaces that define the common structure and behavior without providing implementation details. Inheritance. Inheritance allows a class to inherit properties and behaviors from another class, known as the superclass or base class. The class that inherits from the superclass is called the subclass or derived class. Inheritance promotes code reuse and establishes a hierarchical relationship between classes. Polymorphism. Polymorphism means the ability of objects to take on multiple forms or have multiple behaviors. It allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common superclass. Polymorphism is achieved through method overriding in the subclass and method overloading in the same class or different classes. Benefits of object-oriented programming is procedural code can become problematic as programs grow, leading to spaghetti code with interdependent functions. Object-oriented programming combines related variables and functions into objects, known as encapsulation. Object-oriented programming helps to reduce the number of parameters in functions, making them easier to use and maintain. Abstraction allows us to hide some of the properties and methods from the outside, making the interface simpler and reducing the impact of change. Other benefits of OPS are reusability, extensibility, decomposability, composability, understandability, security.